Hey, from Hominy Creek River Park. Canoers, paddlers, stand-up boarders, they're out. Let's take a quick tour up here and see what we have ahead. Hang on. Here we go. Looks like it's locked. Bummer. Okay. So what else is up here? What do we do? They got the lights on at the French Broad Outfitters. Very cool, very cool. All right. Here we go. Beautiful park. Let's see if we can catch up to the canoers, paddlers. Here we go on the French Broad River Park. I see the paddlers. I think we can catch them. Oh, yes. Oh, gorgeous. Gotta watch out for this tree ahead. This tree fell onto the French Broad River and ripped up the pavement. Whoa. That's a serious root ball system. Here we go to the paddlers.